Well, it's a full.
Hey my beauties, it's Erin Michelle and I am back again with another video. Today is Saturday, October the 12th, and we are currently on the way to American Eagle so I can find a few outfits for the cold because all of a sudden it just got cold. So we're gonna find a few outfits for that, and then we're planning to go to Crumbl so we can try it. I'm kind of scared because everybody be saying it's nasty. Well, all the yeah. So we're about to do that, and then I've come to the decision to stop doing the teenage diaries and just name them whatever we're doing for this weekend, for that weekend I meant. So this one probably be called like a shopping vlog or something, I'm not sure, but y'all see then. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now, and I am filming TikToks because I have to post daily. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll get back to y'all when we're doing something. I love you. I kind of need an extra small, but this is cute. This is cute, right? And then that following week you'll have cute. And then I like these jeans, but I don't know if I'm gonna like them all because barrel jeans are good. Oh my goodness. Barrel jeans are very hit or miss. Hold on, let's see what this. Let's go. These are cute. What? But I need an extra small. It's kind of too big. And I don't, y'all, they never have stuff for our sizes, for us small girls. And it's just like irritating because I can never find clothes my size. But we might just have to do it a little bit because I want it. Wait. Zero. But let's go ask my mom. So cute. I'm thinking about getting these. It's so hard at the bottom compared to the ones from Target. These are cute though. Let's go look at more, guys. Don't we like? Okay guys, so we just made it to Goldfish Grill. We gotta figure out what we want to eat. And I'm thinking about getting their shrimp. Bang shrimp. Do they have seafood? I'd rather just get fries as a side because but I do like their bread. Are you planning to get bang shrimp as appetizer too? I'll get back to y'all when the food comes.
Yeah.
Let me see the brunch menu.
So I like the eggs.
You all recording?
From Walmart.
They were good delivery. So now we have to wait till the next thing comes out. But their bread is an 8 out of 10.
With cheese eggs.
Really good. It's just very garlicky. So here's our next thing. So y'all can watch me eat that. I don't know what's appetizing. Let's taste it. Because this is what I got in my meal. They got it as well.
Yeah, we trying with the chopsticks.
I can't eat with no chopsticks. I'm a sushi girl and I can't do it. Y'all take a bite. It's bang shrimp. Take a bite.
You look like yours.
Okay,
you look like you ordered yours, right?
this Japanese chopstick holder.
Here.
Them shrimp shit like straight up mayo. My tell them what your grits taste like. Tell them what your grits taste. My sister said her grits taste like So we are walking to go to PetSmart to go get Ace in his bed because he keeps pottying in his bed.
Mad.
I don't care.
He gets mad.
So,
He's very spiteful.
You have to get him something else.
He gets friends. Oh no. Why were out of clothes? Oh. It wasn't clothes. It was the other way.
Is that the lady from Sing? Oh,
It's so pretty.
let me see. All of the birds. Oh, that's the mean one that was on. That's the mean one. It's so flat though. This one's perfect. And they got a black one. It's $40.
$40. This one.
And it's
still
white in the inside.
Oh no, this one's perfect.
Is that the same size?
Yeah. It's classic.
This is not gonna fit in his
Can you
cage.
show them? Yes, it will. His old bed fits.
It's not.
Isn't this so cute, guys? Now we gotta get him a toy that matches.
No,
No,
not
you said you was getting him a matching toy to match his bed. You stay with your word. If you gonna say you gonna do something, then you do it. I want to get something that matches the dog, the bed, the dogs on the bed. Oh, this is super cute. We have to get it. Oh, we're getting it. I'm getting it. He's gonna be so happy. What? I'm getting him this. He's gonna be so happy. He's gonna be so happy.
No.
I am getting this.
Oh yeah.
Now come on, let's go look at the puppies. In there. They're kittens, not cats. Look how cute. Yeah, we still got it. It don't have no fish in it. Yeah, goldfish.
Oh, they goldfish, yeah.
And then these ones. Huh? No, I don't think so. And then these ones. We gonna dress him up as a cow for for Halloween. He's wearing both. We got Crumbl. So let's try it. I'm scared. Okay, ready, steady, go. This is like a normal chocolate chip cookie. This is like
Caramel.
not cooked.
I just know this one might be so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
This is what I was hard.
no, it don't.
Mm-hmm.
It's like cleaning supplies.
It's not. Cleaning supplies.
It's like cleaning supplies.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
And that definitely tastes like
This one got
syrup.
apples on it.
It's like syrup.
Look at my teeth. That's how sweet it is.
It must be real sweet. Y'all got great sweet.
Woo.
He took a little second for it.
No.
You got none.
I took a big bite.
I give the caramel apple one 8.5 out of 10.
Favorite. I changed this rating to a 7. Okay, we got one more thing to try. I'm scared though. Get it.
I'm gonna tell you now.
Okay, it's good.
Chocolate chip, but the cookie tastes all right. So I give it about a 6, 7, maybe an 8. No farther than that.
It's good.
It look like you got snot on it or something. What a green? Why I got green stuff on it?
Apples. It's good. I'm for real.
I want to taste it.
All right now.
I like this. That one got
No,
apple
get
on it.
get the apple. Get that one with the apple on
I'm
it.
for real. I'm not playing. That is good. I took the apple off of it.
No.
It's just a green apple.
Oh no. No. Green apple too bad.
I like it. Oh, for real, I like it.
It's good. Try it.
It better be tall.
See, it's good. See, I told you.
I don't like that one.
It's good.
What's good?
I told you. Not bad.
See, it wasn't that bad.
No, it wasn't. I think the best thing been the apples. The thing.
Okay, guys, so we are walking, and my mom said we're walking 5 miles. Let's do it, guys. We're gonna have our bod fit for Cancun, even though I'm already like, but we're gonna have our bod fit for this vacation. And my sister, all the way back there, we're beating her at this. But this is our second lap, 1 mile, so we got 4 more to go. We got our 4th mile. We got 1 more to go and 1 more lap. And y'all, this is the mile outfit. I got Crocs, sweats, and my compression shirt. But we did it. And we're surviving off 1 bottle of water and a bad little kid. So let's go. 1 more lap. I'll be back to y'all when we finish completely.
Why? Pose for me, baby. Natalie Nunn. Hey, baddies. Pose for me. Fat, slim, thick, no tummy.
Hey everyone, so I got home not too long ago. I showered, and yeah, so we're about to do a little haul of what I got from all the stores we went to, and then we're gonna end this video out. So first, I'm gonna show you Journey. So y'all saw me try on the shoes and everything, and I told y'all I got them. But we just got these cute Birkenstocks, and I feel like it just matches the season we're in now. It's fall, so we got these, very cute, and they're like very hard at the bottom, but I don't know, but they're super cute. So we got those, and then I also went to American Eagle and got a few things as y'all saw. So don't judge me, but I kind of want to change my style a little bit and evolve. So I got these cute ballerina flats that I'm gonna wear with like jeans. Like, these are actually really cute. Like, I don't care. Y'all can laugh all y'all want and be mean. I really like these a whole bunch, and I will be wearing them to school. And they're hard. These hard too, but they're super cute. I'm gonna show y'all the detail. Super cute. H&M if you want them. Okay, that's that. And then we got this sweater. Then we got this sweater, which is also really cute. And we also got this like flannel type shirt. Also really cute. And I got this plain black long sleeve t-shirt. And then these barrel jeans. That's my blue. And like I said, y'all, these are a 000. Here, let me give you the proof, because I don't even play about that. These are a 000. And they're still too big for me. And I still have to wear a belt. It's hard out here for me and us small girls. Do a 400 at this point. And then when we went to PetSmart, I bought AC's berry yogurt smoothie treat, and he loves it, and it has blueberry, banana, and yogurt in it. And he's absolutely obsessed with them. And then I got him this toy that he's already played with. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next. And I feel like I haven't said this in a long time. But good night. I love you guys so much. I know I didn't say I love y'all a lot in this video. I think I only said it like once. So I just want y'all to know I love you so very much. Thank you for watching. But yeah, I'm about to go to sleep because I am very, 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 very tired, and my legs are killing me because 5 miles is crazy. And I got church in the morning. So, yeah. That's it. Wait. They don't let that let me. Wait. Go follow my TikTok. If not, you're fake and I'm watching you.